गाने औज़ुबिल्लाहि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज डॉक्टर दानिश का एमएससी का वाइवा है। तो डॉक्टर मोहम्मद फारूक, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, चेयरमैन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, इस्लामी यूनिवर्सिटी बावलपुर, वो हमारे साथ हैं। इसमें मैं डॉक्टर मोहम्मद शफीक इसका सुपरवाइजर हूँ और डॉक्टर साजिद अली साहब इसके को सुपरवाइजर हैं। तो over to you, Dr. Mohammed Farooq Saab. Please start your viva. Start the viva.
Okay. So,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम. Sir, I prepared a presentation and I want to present, if you have a time, I want to present all my research work in 10 minutes.
Yeah, please start.
Okay, sir, I want to share my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, myself, Danish Ahmed, an MSc student. My topic of presentation, my thesis of MSc was effect of different edible coatings on the quality and shelf life of Chinese Meyer lemon. And first, I will explain the background of this research, why I choose this topic. As you know, lemon is a crop of high significance in Pakistan, and its preservation is of great concern. Mostly, it is preserved by using cold storage, which is a highly expensive method, and most of the farmers in Pakistan are of small scales. So different edible coatings are used and chemical treatments for the preservation and increase the shelf life of different fruits. Basically, I thought about the local farmers which don't
अच्छा
have.
दानिश, सॉरी दानिश, सर स्क्रीन आपको शेयर हो रही है फरूक साहब?
जी जी शेयर हो रही है,
लेकिन हमारे इस तरफ डॉक्टर साहब हो रही है आपके पास? अच्छा चले फिर ठीक है, लेकिन वो मुझे वो कंटेंट नहीं नजर आ रहे। चले ठीक है।
Okay, so sir, should I start again? Okay, sir. So mostly the treatments are edible coatings, and we use it for the protection of different fruits from post-harvest losses like fungal attack and other different post-harvest losses. I will give a short introduction of my fruit, Chinese Meyer lemon, which is a native hybrid of China, and it is a cross between citron and mandarin. I will talk about the morphology of Chinese Meyer lemon, the height of the tree varies from 6 to 10 feet, and it has green shiny leaves. The fruit is of yellow color and has less acidic in nature. The flowers are white to purple. The yearly production of this lemon is 1.6 million tons, and it is cultivated over a region of 1,85,400 hectares in Pakistan. I was reading a report in which it was mentioned that in Pakistan, a 6-year-old tree can produce 966 fruits, and if I will talk about 9 years old tree, it can produce almost 3,173 fruits. This experiment was carried out to help the local farmer because the all edible coatings which are used are locally available and are easily in the access of local farmers. What were the objectives of this study? The basic objective of this study was to check the effect of different edible coatings like sugar cane wax solution, aloe vera gel wax solution, garlic extract, honeybee wax solution to check the shelf life and quality of a Chinese Meyer lemon, to check their effect at room temperature, and to check the quantitative changes of Chinese Meyer lemon during the storage, like weight reduction or moisture content or and pH, some qualitative changes like color changes, and the effect of these coatings on the biochemical qualities of Chinese Meyer lemon like ascorbic acid content or pH. In material and methods, basically fresh lemons were collected, and there were almost 90 fruits. We divided it into 5 lots, and each lot has 18 fruits, and each lot was further divided into 3 groups, and each group contained 6 lemons. And The experiment was carried out in completely randomized design, and it was carried out for 10 days, and the reading was taken at the interval of 2 days. Before the start of experiment, the lab was fumigated, so there was no any problem of pathogen, and it was a sterilized lab. And the different treatment which I used for this experiment was garlic extract solution 30%, honey bee wax solution 15%, aloe vera gel solution 15%, sugar cane wax solution 15%, and in the end, in control, I used only distilled water to wash the lemons. In figure 1, you can see the preparation of honeybee wax solution. In figure 2, you can see the sugarcane raw wax. In figure 3, you can see the aloe vera gel, and in figure 4, the sugar garlic extract. And in figure 5, you can see the different lemons dipped in different coating solutions. In figure 6, it has been shown that how I measure the moisture content, the weight by using by weighing balance. And in figure 7, the browning ratio with the passage of time. And in figure 8, you can see the measurement of pH of the lemon pulp. Uh, Now I will explain a brief description of a result and discussion. Basically, I measure the three major content: moisture conservation or weight, pH, and browning ratio. So results of moisture conservation of lemon. Here you can see in this graph there is a tremendously decrease in the moisture conservation and weight from day 0 to day 10. And even from the graph of box plot, you can see that aloe vera gel shows excellent result, and the weight loss was less in aloe vera than garlic extract, and then sugar wax solution, then honey, and in control, the loss was almost similar. There was a slight difference. And if I will talk about the results of pH, the ascorbic acid content, there was also a decrease. And from day 0 to day 10, you can see in this graph, the pH was tremendously decreased with the passage of time. And even from box plot and the average of pH pulp, it has been shown that aloe vera gel shows excellent result because the pH was very less decrease in this case. And after that, garlic extract, then sugarcane wax, honeybee, and control show almost similar results. The pH of normal lemon is between 2 to 3. So if it decreases below like below 3 or below 2, it becomes more acidic, and it is not good for use different purposes. So the purpose of this experiment was to conserve the pH of lemon. My third parameter was to check the browning ratio of by using different treatments. Here you can see in this graph that there was a tremendously increase in the browning ratio, but the browning ratio was very less in the beginning, like for second reading till, but after that there was a high increase in control. And on second number, the increase was in honeybee wax solution coating, and on third number, sugarcane wax solution, then garlic extract, and aloe vera gel shows excellent results. Now I will explain a brief description of discussion. The transpiration and respiration are the primary source that cause the post-harvest moisture loss. And we kept those experiment at room temperature, so moisture from skin evaporate, and it cause reduction in loss weight. Evaporation loss also occurs when the fruit is attached to the plant, but at that time it is recovered by the plant. But when we harvest it from the tree, a cut is made, and it also activates the metabolic cycles. And to overcome this problem, the wax coatings show excellent results because it forms an additional layer around the surface of different fruits. And in our trial, aloe vera gel shows excellent results, and this experiment was also carried out by one of our scientists. And in their case, they used 1.5% aloe vera gel to reducing the moisture loss in papaya. For Browning ratio, Browning ratios play a great role in the physical appearance of lemon, because if the lemon will be brown or this color, then people will not attract by it and people will not buy it. So by using different coatings, we can preserve the browning ratio, and color changes of the peel is one of the qualitative loss that happens after the harvesting. Aloe vera gel is a best solution because it has some antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It can also diminish the loss of moisture, and it is acting as an anti-browning agent, and it can also control the maturation development and senescence. And garlic extract has also some this type of properties, and we can also use it as a coating agent. And my last point was about the pH, the ascorbic acid. When we made an extra defensive layer of coating, it results in the minimum decrease of pH, because it prevents the and slow down the process of inward breaking down of the stored organic acid. A change in a pH can also change in the biochemical transformations and metabolic actions. pH has a reverse connection with storage time. In the passage of time, it decreases. But if we apply different coatings, we can decrease the rate of its decline. So there, I also found some articles in which they use pH, in which they use different coatings like garlic extract and ginger extract during the storage of the sour soap, Annona moleculata. And basically, the pH of normal lemon is between 2 to 3, and by using different coatings, we can uh, reduce the rate of decrease in the pH. And in conclusion, I will say that this experiment, as I used only the edible coatings, and these are easily available in any village or to the local communities, and they are easily edible because they don't have any harmful effects. And most suitable edible coatings, they also enhance the shelf life and quality of the Chinese made lemon and other fruits. Quality attributes include like pH, physical appearance, the weight, the color, and other properties, qualitative traits of any fruit. In my trial, aloe vera gel shows excellent results in decreasing the water loss and conserve moisture, because it has some antimicrobial and antifungal properties that does not allow the pathogens to enter and cause destruction within fruit. Garlic extract solution also shows good result. It has also some good properties. And after that, sugar cane and honeybee wax solution also shows a little bit good result. But in control, if I compare the results of control, in which I use only distilled water, it was bad as compared to the all other coatings. It's a bibliography of different articles which I used for my research thesis. And do you have any questions? Most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Danish. You have
Welcome, sir.
presented very well. Do you know? Can you listen me?
Yes, sir, I can listen to you.
Yeah. Do you know? Is there any such kind of coating uh, technique farmers are adopting in Pakistan or around the world?
Basically, sir, if I will, basically, I use this technique because, like, I researched, like, if we are going to store lemon in cold storage, like we
Mhm.
can store at green stage for 90 days and yellow stage for 30 days, but at room temperature we can store green lemons for 1 to 2 weeks and yellow 3 to 4 weeks. So I thought that I should do some research in which we can find out some a new way, because in this we carried out this trial for 10 days. If we will convince farmers that it will save your money, because by using cold storage, they have to pay high prices. So if we convince the farmers that it will save your money and it will also enhance the shelf life of your fruit, so you will easily be can transport your product from your field or from your storage house to market. So I hope they should adopt this because it's not so expensive.
So did you check in term of cost effectiveness whether you compared the cost of this aloe vera gel extract compared to the
Uh,
cold storage? No.
uh, I did not compare, but it's common, sir. If we will talk about cold storage is so expensive, and one thing more, there is a problem of electricity in Pakistan also. So sometimes, but still, it aloe vera gel expense is less as compared to cold storage, because in cold storage you have to pay high prices.
Don't you think that you need some further analysis or experiment in order to be to convince the farmer for adoption of this technique for storage purpose? I mean,
Definitely,
this
sir.
coating.
Yes,
What kind of
definitely.
experiment? What kind of experiment you will suggest? I mean,
Uh,
what are the shortcomings of your research that if you have performed that experiment also, then it will be much better than the
like,
current
sir,
state.
uh, first of all, the cost. Basically, in every business, you have to put less input and more output. So first, I will, if I will make analysis, I will carry it out this type of experiment and in cold storage also. Then I will compare the input, and I will ask the farmers. You can see uh, what is the difference between this and this experiment. In cold storage you have to pay more, but in this you don't have to pay more. Even like if you fumigate your storage, which is not cold storage, just your storing place, you can easily use this treatment. And for cold storage you have to contact some the like the owner of the cold storage, and then you have to wait when the cold storage will be empty to put your stuff there. And then so I can carry out this type of experiment just to change the psyche of the our farmers.
But if you dip your lemons in aloe vera gel solution or garlic extract, you haven't said anything about the effect on the taste or I
Uh,
mean the
yes, sir. Basically, when I check the pH can explain the taste. If it is very less, it means it increased the bitterness in lemon. So the pH was like in aloe vera gel, although the pH was decreased with the passage of time, but it was not too much decreased as compared to control. So it means the taste was better in aloe vera gel coating sample as compared to the other ones.
can
Because
you please
in, yes,
can
sir,
you please tell me about pH? What is pH?
like
No,
in
I mean define pH.
uh, pH, it's mm, like we have from 0 to 7 it's acidic, and then from 7 to 14 is basic, and after like 7 is neutral. Basically pH is used to express the acidity or alkalinity of a solution on algorithm scale.
No, what it means actually when we say it's pH. I mean, what how you can define in simple words. I mean, one pH mean what does it means? What you actually calculated when you are calculating the pH or when you determine the pH of any solution.
So basically, we calculate the hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion. Like if it is below than 7, it's acidic, and if we will go above, it will be basic.
Okay. More hydrogen ion concentration means
It will be more acidic.
okay. Okay.
And if we will go towards like at 7, it will be neutral. And then if we will go above 7, from 7 to 14, it will be basic, more basic.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Saab, maybe you have some questions.
जी दानिश, फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है?
So my future plan or
जी, फ्यूचर में क्या रिसर्च करने का इरादा है?
in future, sir, I will apply for PhD and I hope I will get a PhD in France or maybe in Netherlands, because like my interest in fruits and further in flowers also. So in future, hopefully, I will be in France or in Netherlands.
Okay. जी साजिद साहब, you have any question? That's up. Hopefully, okay, Danish. I think Dr. Farooq appreciate your talk and research finding, and I also, on the behalf of Dr. Farooq and Dr. Sajid, should I congratulate him, Dr. Sir?
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
congratulations to Danish and his supervisory team, Dr.
sir,
Shafiq
sir,
and
I have one request. Could you all please turn on your cameras? I want to take one screenshot, please.
Dr. Sajid has no camera. Dr. Sir, आप इधर आ जाइए.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Just wait for a minute. Okay, sir.
Ready है?
Yes, sir. Ready? Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your precious time and for
Congratulations.
Thank you,
congratulations and wish you all the best.
डॉक्टर साहब गाड़ी में बैठ के वाइवा ले रहे. ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज. ओके डॉक्टर दानिश, यू कैन गो नाउ. ठीक है, हम जरा डॉक्टर साहब से बातें कर लें.
ठीक है, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye. Allah.
ओके.
Allah Hafiz.